Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I have a very fun unboxing for you. I've partnered with FabFitFun to show you their winter box. And for those of you who don't know, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box, which means that the boxes came out each season, so 4 times per year. Each box will have full-sized items related to can be fashion, beauty, lifestyle, all that jazz. One thing I admire about the company in general is that they usually partner for each box with different charities or female founders, and this time for the winter box I see in here it's in support of women's Alzheimer's movement, and this is the box. I think that it looks really just fun and kind of joyful, and also, you know, of course you have the winter theme. I actually had a couple of FabFitFun boxes in the past. The summer edition, also the autumn edition, and I really love them. And also right now you can customize a couple of items in here that you want, so that's always great. Okay, so inside from the beginning, $90 gift card for HelloFresh. I love HelloFresh, so this will be used straight away. Then some other treats, for example, the $15 off of your first box for FabFitFun, a voucher for like a gift card for the Sterling Forever. So it's like a jewelry company. That's also amazing. The journal, so you have more like information about the box and everything. Also $100 discount code for a mattress. So you have like the sample in here. This is actually really soft. Let's start with the first, like the biggest thing that I see here. So this is the Unhide for Love Not Fur. So it's a fluffy, very friendly, fresh faux. So I guess it's just like a throw, like a faux fur kind of throw. Miyoko is like laying here. She likes to play with these things. Okay, so this feels really soft already. So the Unhide little marshmallow throw, it's $65. So that's already a bigger value than the box itself. Hope this will be a big one because I love big throws for my bed. Oh, it's so soft. It's almost like slippery soft. You know what I mean? This is really, and I love a cream color. I'm all about the cream. All about the cream, all the cream. Do you like it or not? Moving on to the next item that I'm already loving as well. A pair of slippers. And these have that faux fur inside. I'm actually obsessed with this kind of thing. And the knitted design. I love slippers. I don't know why. I kind of buy them all the time, but then for some reason I always lose them. I don't know where, because they're still, you know, inside the house, but I don't know what happens there. These are really cute. So these are called the PJ Salvage. That's a good name. So soft inside. I love. So look, it's like that knitted design and also the faux fur. And these are 2B, so this is $45, the price of the box. So yeah, kitties. I don't know about you, but I love a subscription box because I kind of discover new products that I wouldn't kind of buy myself, or maybe I would buy myself, but maybe there are some brands that, you know, I never knew about. So I'm all the time curious to see what I will have in the boxes. Sometimes I will also have products that I already love, and I kind of get a double bottle of that solution or that mega product. So that's always amazing because you kind of have, you know, replacement already. So the next thing we have the Guess What? You Will Be Naked in 1 Minute Frank Body Original Coffee Scrub. Heard so many things about this one, and I saw this so many times on YouTube, Instagram, people using it. This is also really nice for circulation, and because I do have lots of cellulite on my legs, I like something that will stimulate the circulation there, and also will remove dead skin cells, and also probably remove my fake tan. I have some fake tan right now on. I love that it's 100% natural, and it probably smells really good too. I bet it smells good. Yeah, it smells coffee. So of course the coffee, and also I see something like almondy, orangey, this kind of vibes. Next I have the original makeup eraser. Heard so many things about this, and I've seen lots of people using it, so I'm curious to finally try it for myself. This looks really nice actually in this box. So is this little guy. It's actually quite a big size. And I know with this one you should probably use just water. Yeah, I think just water. And this is now damp, wet, and let's see if this works. I have some makeup on. I have mascara and stuff. So I don't know, should I rub it like this? Oh, okay. It kind of takes stuff off. I see that. Up next, I see a product that I really wanted to try for ages. This is the Prep Rally from Drybar. I heard about this brand so many times. I think it's from the US. I think. Yeah, made in USA. I'm not sure if we have it in the UK. We probably have it. Not sure. But this is a full size. So it's like a Prime and Prep detangler. So basically everything I need for my hair, because my hair is absolutely a mess. So it says just to apply this generously on damp hair. Okay, now I will go ahead and blow dry it back. Oh, this looks good, and I love how smooth it is. Now it's a bit more wet still here, but I also feel like I have a lot of volume here as well. Another fashion item, I see this, is from Vouray. It's like a gym bag, probably like a crossbody bag. Let's see what it is. So yeah, it's a crossbody bag that retails for $17. So I guess this brand has like a variety of like different travel and kind of fashion, more like gym bags. It looks really, really nice. It's also nice probably for traveling. You will put your passport here. It has like a few compartments. Okay, so we have two more items. A piece of jewelry. So this is from the brand called Adore. It's available at Bloomingdale's, Nordstrom, and Adore Jewelry. Crystal Swarovski, and this is the little guy. Super dainty. It has like a crystal in there. And the last thing is this, the Cuccio Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. It smells really good. It smells like a spa. It probably has some citrusy, lavender kind of things. Yeah, it has lavender oil, citric acid, honey, which is super nice. So yeah, I cannot wait to use this in the bath. Daily cleansing ritual. Yeah, I love the word ritual because it's a ritual, right? This retails for $40. What? So I will leave in the description box everything about the box and the links to it. It retails for $49.99 and the total value is usually more than $200, so that's an amazing deal. And also with my discount code EasyNeon, you can also get a really nice discount, which is always great. And the boxes are available in the US, in Canada and in the UK. See you in my next video. Take care.